Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the captivating world of technology and its impact on our daily lives. I'm your host, and today we're exploring some fascinating features of GitHub, a platform that's not just about code, but is rapidly evolving into a developer's dream environment. So let's get started. Imagine you're an aspiring coder, and you've just written your first piece of software. You want others to see your progress and even contribute to your project. That's where GitHub comes in. It's not just a repository. It's like a bustling digital town square where developers from all corners of the world gather to share, collaborate, and learn from one another. One of the standout features I want to discuss today is GitHub Copilot. Think of Copilot as your personal coding assistant powered by AI. It can help you write better code by suggesting lines of code as you type. It's almost like having a mentor sitting right next to you, guiding you through the complexities of programming. Have you ever found yourself stuck, unsure of what code to write next? Imagine being able to glance at suggestions that not only help you get unstuck, but also teach you new techniques along the way. And speaking of learning, let's talk about learning pathways. GitHub isn't just a place to host code. It offers resources like white papers, ebooks, and webinars designed to help developers expand their skills. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp basic concepts or an experienced developer wanting to dive into advanced topics, GitHub's educational resources cater to all. Now, I find this really interesting, how GitHub enables developers to automate workflows through their Actions feature. Picture this: you've coded a fantastic new feature, but deploying it always feels like a chore. With Actions, you can automate the deployment process, saving so much time and effort. It's like setting your very own robot to handle the tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on what you love, coding. But it doesn't stop there. GitHub also places a strong emphasis on community through features like discussions and the README project. These avenues allow developers to share experiences, tips, and even challenges they face in their coding journeys. It's a treasure trove of knowledge just waiting to be explored, don't you think? Have you ever thought about how valuable it is to have a support network just a click away? Oh, and let's not overlook the moral side of things. GitHub sponsors. This program empowers the community by allowing developers to fund open-source projects. Imagine being able to support developers directly as they work tirelessly on projects that you and many others benefit from. It's heartwarming to see how technology fosters generosity and sustainable development. Before we wrap up, here's a thought to ponder. With technology advancing so rapidly, what does the future hold for platforms like GitHub? How will they continue to evolve and adapt to meet the needs of developers and users alike? As we conclude today's discussion, remember that GitHub is more than just a coding tool. It's a thriving ecosystem of learning, collaboration, and community support. If you're not already tapping into these resources, I highly encourage you to explore them. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of GitHub and its impressive features. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.